cooking has become really difficult for me. And one of the traditions that we used to always do was multiple fishes in the Polish culture. And we have transitioned it into sushi for Christmas Eve. So my children have become to love this tradition that every Christmas Eve we order our favorite sushi rolls, we get together, just us, and enjoy an awesome dinner. Then they also love a little tradition that Santa brings candy canes to our home and he puts them all over the Christmas tree. And it's something special that I'm giving them as a memory, um, to kind of inspire them to know that we might not have all the same traditions as other families, but we have our own, and that's really special to them.